This is the Zema GLS series. The GSL slow-speed granulator series are mainly used to grind runners and sprues in injection and blow molding processes. The resulting granules are then immediately reintroduced into the production process. The machines can be used for rejected products in the inline recycling process as well. Different hopper and base frame designs make it possible to integrate the machine with most types of injection molding machines and robots. The direct-driven staggered rotor special knife design makes adjustment unnecessary. Easy access for maintenance and cleaning. Slow rotor speed creates less noise and dust. Easily customizable to suit different applications. The curvature of the specially profiled rotor knives ensures a constant cutting radius after resharpening, thus maintaining the original cutting gap. Awkward knife adjustments are no longer necessary. Staggered rotor blades create an individual blade cut, thus increasing the cutting torque. All of the machines in this series are therefore suitable for grinding more solid materials and thicker walled sprues. The Zema Quick Snap system allows the lower front plate section to be easily removed for granulator cleaning. The lower front plate section is held in position by two sturdy lever clamps. All GSL models can be equipped with a built-in blower system in case a vacuum loading system is not available, or to transport the ground material to bags for storage. The stronger design of the 300 series GSLs allow them to be used for stronger and thicker materials while offering the same advantages regarding low noise and dust as the smaller GSL machines. They can be used as low-noise central granulators for small throughput requirements as well. The slow-speed granulators in the GSL 180 range feature a staggered 118 diameter rotor with a width ranging from 180 to 430 mm. In the 300 range, the width ranges from 400 mm to 800 mm. The rotor is directly driven by a geared motor. The low rotor speed reduces the noise level of the machine and creates less dust while grinding. The special design knives of the GSL series can be sharpened easily and do not need adjustment afterwards. The material is fed via a sound-absorbing feed hopper that can be tailored to fit various applications and feeding ways. Depending on the requirements, the machines can be fitted with a wide variety of hoppers. They are mounted on either low or high-level base frames with matching suction bins or bag-filling adapters. Quick snap fasteners and hand screws make access to the machine for cleaning and maintenance fast and easy. To inquire about this machine, visit our webpage and find the Inquire Here or Request Quote button. This will lead you to an online form where you can complete your request and outline your requirements. You will then receive a response email as confirmation of your form submission. A member of our team will then be in contact in the next 1 to 5 days. Alternatively, you can contact us via email at info@rotorjet.co.uk. Find out more at plasticwashing.co.uk or search Rotorjet GSL Granulator.